Have you ever heard a piece of traditional Irish music and felt a unique sparkle in its sound? A resonance that feels both ancient and vibrant. The traditional Irish harp, distinct from its classical orchestra cousin, offers a sound that is notably bright, resonant, and often described as having a bell-like or metallic quality. This clear, penetrating tone makes it immediately recognizable and a cherished voice in Irish music. This unique sound largely stems from its construction and playing style. Historically, traditional Irish harps often used brass or even gut strings, which produce a much brighter, more sustained note compared to the nylon or gut strings common on modern concert harps. Furthermore, traditional players typically use their fingernails to pluck the strings, creating a crisp, clear attack for each note rather than the softer, more rounded tone produced by fingertips. These harps also lack the complex pedal mechanisms found on larger concert harps, meaning their tuning is simpler and more direct. For the listener, this means when you hear a traditional Irish harp, you are experiencing a lively and articulate voice within the ensemble. Its bright timbre allows individual notes to stand out with clarity, even amidst other instruments like fiddles or flutes. This makes it an excellent choice for intricate melodic lines and rhythmic accompaniment, anchoring the music with a vibrant pulse. A fascinating detail is the term often associated with the older brass-strung harps, the clangorous sound. This describes the rich, almost reverberant quality of the notes, which would continue to ring and intermingle, creating a shimmering sonic texture. This historical playing style, often called wire-strung harp tradition, is experiencing a wonderful revival today, connecting contemporary audiences to centuries-old musical heritage. Understanding these unique characteristics helps you not only identify the traditional Irish harp by its distinctive sound but also deeply appreciate its integral role in the rich tapestry of Irish music and culture. It is a sound that truly embodies the spirit of Ireland, full of history, warmth, and